When you launch a sequential collection in JMSL, you give it one launch command, and it is responsible for launching each of its children in sequence. That's why it's called a sequential collection. So in this example, we have a sequential collection called My Sequential Collection, and we've added 3 music jobs to it. Here's MJ1, 2, and 3. This is where we add them. My Sequential Collection add MJ1, 2, and 3. We give each of those jobs a different repeat pause, so they'll take different amounts of time. And we load each of the jobs with a message printing playable so that when MJ1 starts, it'll announce itself and say that I have started. MJ2 will announce itself. MJ3 will announce itself. My sequential collection's repeat count is 20. So if I were just to launch this, it would launch child 1, 2, 3, then a second time 1, 2, 3, then a third time 1, 2, 3, fourth time 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 20. However, what I skipped over is this cool thing where you can tell the sequential collection to set its behavior to in this case, a class called tutorial behavior. What is that? That's defined down here. The tutorial behavior implements the behavior interface, and in order to be a behavior, you simply have to define this method, public composable choose. Choose is given a handle to the sequential collection, of which this is the behavior, and then you can apply any algorithm you want to choose which of those children in the collection should be launched next. In this example, we're doing a super simple uniform random selection where we fetch the size of the collection. In the case here, it's 3. And you choose a random number between 0 and 3. So it'll give you 0, 1, or 2. And it'll return the collection get 0, or the collection get 1, or collection get 2. In other words, it'll return the first, second, or third child in that collection. All right, let's see what happens when we run it. So first we see the hierarchy of the sequential collection prints itself out. Then we see that it shows index 1, which launched music job 2. When it chooses index 0, it chooses music job 1. If it chooses index 2, it chooses music job 3. And it does this 20 times. It's already done. So just to highlight, if you have a repeat count of 20 on a sequential collection that is acting behaviorally, you will get 20 children launched in a sequence. If you set the behavior to null and have it just behave like a normal sequential collection, then it will run through all of its children in sequence 20 times.